Well, Dash, Jill, let me give you a snapshot of what's going on right now. First and foremost, in case you didn't know, it was upgraded to a hurricane at 9 a.m. today. Forward motion slowed down to about 8-9 miles per hour. That is slow compared to the 12 to 14 miles per hour. And keep in mind, we want this thing to move fast. We want it out of here as quickly as possible. So that is a setback. No direct hit, 35 miles from South Point. There may be some erratic motion due to Big Island terrain interaction. The tropical watches and warnings remain unchanged, and there is some short-term strengthening. All right, let's take a look now at this point at the track. Oh, this is nice. This has just got updated. It's up to 10 miles per hour. That's good news. That's good news. The rest, it looks like, is the same, with the exception of now it is west of South Point. So it is moving away from the Big Island. You can see the icon there and moving at the west-northwest. Here's a look at the track. And the track basically is unchanged. We have a Category 1 system, and by 2 a.m. it's expected to lose its hurricane strength, 70 miles per hour. And then tomorrow, south of Kauai, 60 miles per hour. And then Monday, far from the islands, that's not going to impact us, but that strength will be at 60 miles per hour. Okay, and as far as hurricane warnings and tropical storm warnings, it's still the same. Everywhere except the Big Island is under a hurricane warning. That remains the same. As far as any kind of flood-related alerts, we've got pretty much too many that I can't put it on the screen. Most of what you see here over Maui are strong wind reports. Most of what you see in Kohala are strong wind reports. Same with Kona. It's the windward side of the Big Island that has those flooding incidents. Flash flood warning continues for the Big Island. As you can see, it's the flash flood warning is pretty much from Hawaii in through Hilo and then down through South Point. And all the wind damage, it's all on the leeward side, while the flood damage is on the windward side. Same situation, we have some flooding in upcountry Maui, a lot of wind problems in West Maui and also down by South Maui, Makena area, and also a wind situation, the south shores of Molokai at this time. All right, here's a slice of the radar. You can see it kind of lifting to the northwest. The eye is basically collapsing. So that is a sign of weakening conditions for the system. The Big Island, though, I'm telling you, the Big Island is just getting hammered big time. All of my friends are just like, they're used to seeing heavy rain, and this is even surprising them. It's not over yet. There's a little bit more coming in, although some of it looks like it appears to be letting up. I think by after midnight, you'll be in a much better situation because we still have some heavy rain hitting those mountains. Up next will be Maui. So Maui's seeing some heavy rain and upcountry as the showers stack up against Haleakala. We've got heavier showers for the Central Valley, South Maui, as well as portions of West Maui, deep within the mountains. Same, not too bad right now for Molokai, with the exception of East Molokai. And Oahu's doing okay. We are seeing some heavier showers now moving through. Over Kailua right now, there's a heavy rain cell that is over East Oahu. So that's where the heaviest rain is. Kauai, you're in good shape, just scattered showers. All right, so what are we expecting moving forward? The Big Island is getting hammered right now. When will it stop? It appears to stop pretty much by 3 a.m. There may be a few heavier showers on the south side, but I think by the time you wake up tomorrow morning, it's not going to be dry, but it'll be much better in terms of heavy rain. We're seeing heavier showers over Haleakala, Kaupo area. That is going to increase. This is now 11 a.m. tonight. It's going to be more widespread over Maui County. This is now 1 a.m. 3 a.m., still heavy rain. And also by Sunday morning, I think Maui County is going to be in good shape. What about Oahu? We're seeing steady light to moderate showers with the occasional downpour right now. The danger zone for Oahu will be overnight. This is now 3 a.m. Look at windward Oahu, and then it expands to pretty much the North Shore and into West Oahu, 5 a.m., and it continues to be problematic in terms of heavy rain through 11 a.m. By 1 p.m. we should be good. So tomorrow morning and midday for Oahu. Kauai, it looks like you're going to be pretty much in the best shape, being the most northern island compared to the rest of the state. You're going to see showers, but the heavy showers are going to be kind of isolated to the interior portions and that south shore. And then the threat of heavy rain is done by Sunday afternoon. Let's talk winds. They're pretty impressive wind speeds right now, almost 30 miles per hour for some spots. Wind gusts have been 40 to 50 miles per hour right now. 43 mile per hour wind gusts in Honolulu, 40 for Kahului, Hilo 35. But we don't have a wind gauge in every single windy valley, so these numbers are probably on the low end of what is actually happening. There have been some wind gusts approaching 90 miles per hour. So yes, we're halfway through. All the impacts still remain. Heavy rain, possible thunderstorms, extreme flooding, tropical storm winds for most areas, and hurricane winds near South Point, which storms surge to 20 miles or 20 feet.